So today we are going to learn swap measures using parameters. So it is very important to learn concept of parameters in Tableau. And in this video we will simply learn about swapping measures in parameter. From here you can create a parameter. Let's call it select measure, and here you can give name of your parameter. Okay, you can select any value from here. So we can decide data type, we can decide current value for this measure, and we will choose the data type as a string because we want to swap measures, and available values will be list. So we will write sales, profit and discount. So from the sample superstore data we will use sales, profit or discount as a dynamic measure, and when you will show measure it will start showing it. Now we will drag region and sales and edit the measure. We can also add quantity here. Okay, so the idea is when we will select discount it will show discount wise, region wise discount. When we select sale it will show region wise sales, and so on. Currently it is showing sum of sales, but you can see when we are changing the measure there is no effect on the data. Now what we are going to do, we will create a calculated field because you have to attach a calculated field with measure in Tableau to make it work. So here we will call it something like calculated field select measure, and we are going to write case and switch statements. So in there are four cases for us. So case select measure when sales is selected. Okay, then we will select the sales field. Okay, similarly when profit is selected we will select the profit field. So else if profit then profit. So here you will write like this. So similarly we will write for all the four conditions. So in case you just have to write when. Okay, if you are using else if you have to write if, otherwise you have to write when. Here you can see we have the sum of sales here. So in row we will drag our calculated field instead of sum of sales. Okay, so here what we are going to do, in select measure when we will select anything that thing should change. So our calculated field will be used for that logic. So here you can see sales. So let's select our calculated field, and here when discount then we will write discount. Okay, let's correct this. When profit then we will write profit, when quantity then quantity, and when sales then sales. So this way when in selected measure discount will be selected, from our field discount will be calculated, and automatically you will see the case there. So this is the case expression. You write case, then your expression, then value for all the cases. So we'll simply drag CF measure there, and now you can see when we are changing the measure it is changing the field value also. So this is simple example of swapping the measures in your data in Tableau with the help of parameters. And here you can see showing region wise sale. So what you can do here, in your sheet name you can insert the select measure. When you will insert the select measure then it will dynamically change with your selection. So this is a simple example in Tableau where we can swap measures using parameters.